Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be something different to disrupt the always ongoing car content. Come on camera, switch the lighting, there you go. Well, you guys obviously know I have other life than cars, and I like to have fun on the side besides cars. So yeah, I recently got one of these. It's a Raptor 700 SE special edition, 700R pretty much. And as you know, I don't like keeping stuff stock. So today's video is not necessarily me buying the quad, but modifying it already. That's like $1,000. Can you believe it? $1,000. An exhaust for this. Like seriously, I still had to buy it. I have to match. Like look at this black. This black with this green, this high visibility yellow, I think that's what they call it. Like look how it flows. Imagine just the exhaust being here, that right there. Oof, and a dual exhaust too. So I'm gonna put one on this side and then one goes here. So there's like a X pipe, which is right here, that goes right there. And that kind of pretty much divides the exhaust up into two, and it's more power too. If you guys, whoever's going to be watching this video, Raptor video, most likely you guys heard of Cuervo Racing. Is one of the most popular Raptor builder here locally in Oregon, in Eugene, Oregon to be exact. You know, to me he's a couple hours away, but still. I got the PC5, the Power Commander 5 tuner with his tune on there for the mods, and I also got an FCI intake on it. So I did a few other mods to it. I'll go over maybe later in another video, but yeah, today I'm gonna make this video about installing the Empire exhaust and just seeing how it looks, you know, going from single stock one. I deleted the silencer obviously on it, the first things I did, but so there's no silencer in there, but so I gave it a better sound already. But today we're gonna install the Empire exhaust and seeing how I'll figure out, you know, how to install it, and I'll show you guys how it looks and how it sounds afterwards. Stay tuned. Okay, so it looks pretty simple. There's two bolts here, and then I don't see any mounts anymore, so it seems like it just goes straight to the cylinder head. Just two bolts there, so it should be fairly simple to take the old one out, new one in, those two bolts, and then this way it gets tricky. It's just from here back. So yeah, let's get to it. So I guess, yeah, just those two bolts, two over there, and actually another one here that was in the center connecting this. This one was, let me see so I don't lie to you guys, 6mm hex. So that just goes here. Just untie that to separate the exhaust, but that's it. Fairly easy to take it off. And then on here, on the back ones, I put red Loctite, a little bit of red Loctite, pretty much on every nut. These ones I didn't tighten yet. I put a little bit of red Loctite on these. I put on this bolt, I had to get a bolt pretty much from hardware store. We got pretty much the whole set or whatever. We got a whole set of bunch of bolts, and so I had to find a long enough bolt. And then I used the washer from the OEM exhaust. I took it off the OEM exhaust bolt, the washer, which is this big one, and then I just put a lock-in washer also. So, and I'm gonna tighten that up, and then tighten these up, and put those on, the nuts on the exhaust, on this exhaust, which I probably could do now since I already fitted the, you know, those on. Probably gonna be hard to do with one hand, so I'm gonna have to put the camera down, lift it up a little bit, and then yeah. So yeah, that's how it looks. It's looking pretty darn good if you ask me. You look at it from a side, look at it, it looks beautiful. Whoo! Okay, so put everything on. So I'm gonna have to trim a little bit more. I trimmed a little bit of the plastic. I'm gonna have to trim a little more, but everything clears. Man, oh man, this looks good. Just look at that. Wow. I'm gonna show you guys a walk around outside. But this thing looks amazing. Let me see if I can come get it from this angle so you can see better. But ooh, that looks good. That just looks gorgeous. Whew, this thing's ready to rip. Okay, so it's outside now. Let's do a quick walk around so you guys can see on the outside. So I'm gonna try to start it without the PC5 tuner power commander. Hopefully it runs. If it doesn't, it's whatever. But I'm trying to start it just to let you guys hear. I don't want to go through the whole video and install the PC5 because it's gonna make this video very long and probably not interesting. So I'm gonna just the exhaust install and startup kind of deal, and then in a separate video I'm gonna do the PC5, the power commander 5 install. Start it. So turn on the ignition and everything. Let me see if it starts up. Okay, and then one more thing, the speed sensor, as you can see, sorry if maybe you will be, so there's a wire goes to the stator, I believe. So I just mounted or just zip tied that with a plastic zip tie, and then I used the metal zip tie to zip tie all the wiring pretty much right there to this thing right here, so just kind of to hold it back. I didn't put too much tension on that, but just enough. So like, I mean, it's pretty loose. If you let me see, it's kind of hard, but right here, see, it's like squishy, but it's enough to hold it from going towards the exhaust and burning and melting pretty much. So yeah. So yeah guys, here's the final walk around type of deal. As you guys can see where it positioned is, like all the mounts and everything. I mounted it right there where this grab bar mounts the first bolt here. Same thing goes here, first grab bar bolt. And then just a bunch of springs right there, 2 springs here, 1 here, and then also 1 over there, pretty much connecting those 2 pipes and holding them together, and that's it. So nothing too complicated. Sorry, excuse my neighbors are riding quads there, but yeah. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I didn't want to make it too long. Like I said, the PC5 power commander 5 install, I'm going to do a separate video just to keep them short. Yeah, if you guys have any questions or you know, comments, comment below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and as usual, see you next time.